Love all things agriculture and want to start your mini agricultural hobby/business? If you've always wanted to transition to rural from urban, you need the right equipment to get you started. Here are the best small agricultural equipment for you to get started on. Number 1. Pickup truck. A pickup truck can be a valuable and versatile investment for your farm. It's crucial for transporting various items like building materials, feed, firewood, and sod. When combined with a trailer, you can even transport livestock. While a pickup is a significant investment, proper maintenance, like changing the oil every 3,500 miles, can make it last for many years. You can often find good used pickups at reasonable prices. Number 2. Compact utility tractor. For farms larger than 160 acres, it's essential to include a compact utility tractor in your farming equipment collection. If you have less than 60 acres, you can use a utility vehicle or UTV. Compact utility tractors, while smaller than traditional ones, still pack the horsepower needed for heavy-duty tasks. They offer greater versatility compared to a UTV or truck. Equipped with quick hitches both in the front and back, you can easily attach any Category 1 implement you require. These may include a front bucket and a rear-mounted mower, box blade, box scraper, aerator, mulch finisher, or rear blade, providing you with a wide range of capabilities. Depending on the attachments you have, they can perform a wide range of tasks, from mowing extensive lawns to digging foundations, baling hay, pushing snow, and setting fence posts. The possibilities with a compact tractor are extensive. Farmers have several options for acquiring small farm equipment and tractor implements. Some choose to purchase new equipment from local dealers or directly from manufacturers. Others opt for used farm equipment, often finding deals on platforms like Craigslist or through auctions. Additionally, there are farm equipment loans available, enabling farmers to secure the necessary equipment and tractor implements to cultivate profitable crops on their small farms. Number 3. Wheeled tractor. These versatile tractors are designed to maximize the efficiency of your machinery. They are well suited for a wide range of tasks, including tilling, material handling, and equipment pulling. Wheeled tractors come with various choices in terms of horsepower, lifting capacity, control systems, and cab styles. Number 4. Track tractor. Track tractors are specialized farming vehicles equipped with rubber tracks instead of traditional tires. This unique feature enables them to exert more power when plowing fields while also ensuring a smoother and more comfortable ride for the operator. Number 5. Implements and tractor attachments. Tractor attachments and implements are add-ons that boost a tractor's capabilities, allowing it to tackle a variety of tasks in farming, construction, and landscaping. They streamline operations like soil preparation, grass cutting, digging, material handling, and more. Common examples include front-end loader attachments. Compact utility tractors can serve as compact loaders, expanding their functionality. If you're only using implements at the rear of your compact tractor, you're missing out on half the potential productivity. There's a wide range of utility loader attachments available to enhance your efficiency. Attach a pallet fork for moving pallets and bulky items. Combining forks with a bucket allows for easier handling of large, loose loads. You can use a material bucket to scoop, transport, and dump manure, soil, or rocks. If you have timber or brush to manage, a debris grapple makes consolidating it all a breeze. Backhoe. A backhoe attachment is used for digging trenches, excavating, and other digging tasks. It's attached to the rear of the tractor and has a digging arm with a bucket on one end. Mower. Tractor-mounted mowers are used for cutting grass and vegetation in fields, pastures, and along roadsides. They come in various types, including rotary mowers and flail mowers. Plow. Plows are implements used to turn over and loosen soil for planting crops. They come in different styles, such as moldboard plows, disc plows, and chisel plows. Harrows. Harrows are used for breaking up soil clods and preparing the ground for planting. They can be disc harrows, chain harrows, or spike-tooth harrows. Seeder, planter. Seeders and planters are used to sow seeds or plant crops in rows. They can be adjusted to control the spacing and depth of planting. Tiller. A tiller, also known as a rotary tiller or rotavator, is used to prepare seedbeds by breaking up and aerating the soil. It's especially useful for garden and small-scale farming. Sprayer. Tractor-mounted sprayers are used to apply pesticides, herbicides, fertilizers, and other chemicals to crops. They have tanks and nozzles for even distribution. Bucket. In addition to front-end loaders, tractors can be equipped with various types of buckets for carrying materials. These can include general-purpose buckets, pallet forks, and specialty buckets. Blade. Blades can be attached to the front or rear of a tractor for grading, leveling, and moving soil, snow, or other materials. They come in various designs, including box blades and rear blades. Cultivator. Cultivators are used for weed control and soil aeration. They have multiple tines or shovels that can be adjusted to different depths. Post hole digger. This attachment is used for digging holes for fence posts or planting trees. It can save significant time and effort compared to manual digging. Now, let's continue with the other essential small agricultural equipment list. Number 6. Harrow. Harrows, when dragged behind tractors or ATVs, are excellent for leveling soil surfaces. 7. Scythe. While not as efficient as mowers, scythes, one of the oldest farm tools, can still be valuable for small-scale farmers, especially for cutting high grasses and shrubs. Number 8. Manure spreader. A manure spreader is a highly useful tool on a horse farm, but it's crucial to educate yourself about proper manure spreading techniques to prevent issues like the spread of parasites or pollution from manure runoff. Number 9. Hydroponics. Hydroponics, a soil-free plant cultivation method using water, enables efficient crop growth and can be implemented indoors, conserving water. Number 10. Plastic mulch layer. If your farm utilizes plasticulture growing methods, a plastic mulch layer attachment for your tractor is an essential tool to have. Number 11. Cultipacker. Pullable by tractors, cultipackers strengthen seed beds before seeding, ensuring optimal seed-to-soil contact. Number 12. Sickle. A sickle, a handheld cutting tool, can be useful in small applications such as harvesting or mowing. Number 13. Plows. With various styles available, including moldboard, chisel, and disc plows, you can choose the right plow for your specific crop production, soil type, and land condition. Number 14. Rakes. Rakes are essential for haymaking and come in various types, including wheel rakes, parallel bar rakes, rotary rakes, and belt rakes. Number 15. Cultivator. Cultivators are vital for soil preparation, whether you're creating a seedbed or controlling weeds before planting. Number 16. Sprayers. Sprayers are indispensable for applying compost tea, herbicides, and pesticides effectively on your crops. Number 17. Irrigation system. Ensuring a constant water supply is crucial for crop growth. You can choose from simple options like soaker hoses or opt for more complex systems like multi-level drip irrigation setups to water your crops efficiently. Number 18. Combine or harvester. If you're a grain farmer, owning combines is essential for efficiently harvesting your crops as they are the most effective tools for getting crops out of the field. Number 19. Transplanter. Transplanters, available in both tractor-pulled and handheld versions, offer flexibility in planting. Some models use foot or hand action to activate the lever, allowing for precise placement of plants in dug holes. Number 20. Seed drills. These tractor attachments are designed for precise seed insertion with minimal soil disturbance, making them ideal for various planting needs. Number 21. Broadcast seeder. These seeders come in various shapes and are designed to distribute seeds across specific areas, making them suitable for planting cover crops, forages, and grasses. Number 22. Wagon. A farm wagon serves as the perfect solution for efficiently transporting hay on your farm. There you go. The best small agricultural equipment to use for your small agricultural business or hobby. Here are a few small reminders to keep before you start a farm. Prepare your land for cultivation. Direct seed and transplant crops. Ensure proper irrigation for your crops. Implement weed and pest management strategies. Execute the harvest of your crops. Clean, package, and store your harvested produce. Arrange for the transportation and sale of your crops. We hope you like this video. If you love machinery for farming, business, and manufacturing, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.